Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share my excitement with you. I just received my Silver Creators Award from YouTube, and I would like to give a big thanks to everyone, because without you I would not have gotten this award, because we have reached 100,000 subscribers and even more at this point. So what we're gonna do, we are going to unbox it together. Πάμε τώρα να κόψουμε να δούμε το πολύτιμό μας, το έπαθλο. Και 3, 2, 1, τραν! Να το! Δεν το πιστεύω! And here we go, our Silver Award, saying presented to Kiki Crochet for passing 100,000 subscribers. So I would like to give a big thanks to everybody for subscribing to my channel, because without you subscribing we wouldn't have reached and passed 100,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing guys, please don't forget to do that. I would like to give a big thanks to my family also, because if it weren't for them I wouldn't have come to this point, especially my husband for helping me with the technological part, because I'm really bad at it, okay? If it weren't for him we would have really bad picture on our videos, so he sets the camera on the right position, the lighting, so we have the best picture possible. So thanks to him, thanks to you all guys, please keep subscribing, because our next milestone is 1 million subscribers and the Golden Award. Thank you all, and bye bye!